Hi guys, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna do a full glam makeup that I think everyone should try this summer, especially when you get tanned and the summer breeze comes and all the good feelings and good vibes. So let's just quickly start the video. And before I start the video, I just want to say that this makeup is good for all weathers and temperatures because it doesn't have a foundation, and I mean, you can use a foundation if you want to, but I usually don't use foundation during summer. So grab your iced coffee or whatever drink you want and let's just quickly start the video right now. So skin comes first. I'm gonna use this Lancome Double Essence. I love it. Just gonna use a tiny bit. You can actually use this makeup in any weather and season, but I think it fits summer the most. Origins Brightening Eye Cream. Then I'm gonna use this Embryolisse moisturizing cream that is a moisturizer, makeup base, and basically a primer. Never heard of it before. I saw it on my friend's video, and when I asked her about this, she was like, this is so popular, how do you not know it? When I bought it, I realized why this is so popular. In one of my videos I said I would never buy anything from Glam, but this contour stick in shade Clay, I like it. It's cheap and it's a good contour. It's a very cool toned contour. I use it to create shadows. Embryolisse concealer that is about to finish. Gonna apply here and here. I have to buy it soon, and by soon I mean like tomorrow probably. Here and here, a little bit here, and again here and here. Guerlain Terracotta bronzer and a brush like this. This concealer gets dry so fast and you have to blend it so quick. Okay, another round of my bronzer. We're gonna apply a little bit more concealer at the end. Then I'm gonna take my contour again, like this, and like this. Blend so carelessly. Eyebrow gel, it's a local brand, so I'm not gonna name it because you cannot buy it. It's a clear brow gel. I don't know if I should use a brown eyeliner, eye pencil, or a black one, but I think I'm gonna go with a brown one. Then I'm gonna take one of these and I'm gonna use it like this. Let me just see in the mirror if it's good. Yeah. Okay. Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in shade Reloaded. Take a fluffy brush like this. Shadow color, and just gonna apply here, and I'm gonna take it with me. I'm gonna use this one. Smashbox Level Up Creamy Lipstick. A little bit of my NARS Creamy Concealer in medium to ginger. The Beauty Banana Bread Setting Powder, and I'm just a little bit to set the makeup. And let me just see if I turn off lights. This is the makeup without ring light. This is with the ring light. Let me. This is it. This is my favorite hot girl summer makeup look that I love, and I think everyone should give it a try. Yeah. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that the summer gets better and better every day for all of us. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.